If you want juicy, delicious chicken in just 10 minutes, stay with me, I'll show you how. This is one of those dishes that I come back to again and again. It's easy, reliable, and everyone loves it. So let's start. First, slice the chicken breasts so they're all about the same thickness. This helps them cook evenly and stay juicy. While you're doing that, place your pan on the stove completely empty and let it heat up slowly. Now, just a quick side note, something I always do when I'm handling raw meat. I'm really careful with what I touch, and I always wash my hands right after I touch the meat. So there's a lot of hand washing again and again and again. Alright, back to the pan. Once it's warm, add a good drizzle of nice olive oil, the kind that you'd happily dip your bread into. Then sprinkle in some freshly cracked black pepper and some salt. Now gently lay the chicken in. Try not to move it once it's down. You want it to stay put so you can get that beautiful golden crust. Season the top with a generous amount of black pepper. I like a lot of pepper here. It really brings it to life. And salt to taste. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes depending on how thick the pieces are. Then flip them gently, season again if you like, and cover the pan for the next 2 to 3 minutes. It helps it cook through without drying out. When you take the lid off, be careful that the water from the lid doesn't drip into the hot oil, as it will spit at you. Let it finish cooking for another minute, and that's it. And that peppery olive oil in the pan, don't waste a drop. That's liquid gold. Once it's cooked, let it rest for a few minutes. That part's important. It lets all the nice juices settle back inside. We usually serve this with a big salad or some fries or roasted potatoes. Just something simple. Juicy, salty, with just the right kick from the black pepper. So give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And that is the tray. So, from the top.